Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most thrilling and futuristic supercars to come out of Italy, the Lamborghini Temerario. This car marks a new era for Lamborghini, blending electrifying performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable Italian design. So sit back and get ready to experience the bold spirit of Lamborghini redefined for the modern world. The Lamborghini Temerario is the successor to the legendary Huracán, and it carries forward the DNA of pure Lamborghini power but with a new hybrid heart. Under its sleek and aggressive body lies a plug-in hybrid powertrain, pairing a powerful V8 engine with electric motors to deliver breathtaking performance. The combined output is expected to surpass 900 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful supercars in its class. With instant torque from the electric motors and the roaring symphony of the V8, the Temerario delivers acceleration that pins you to your seat and takes you from 0 to 100 km/h in under 2.7 seconds. Lamborghini has always been about design that pushes boundaries, and the Temerario continues that legacy. Every line, every curve, and every vent serves both an aesthetic and aerodynamic purpose. The front features sharp Y-shaped headlights, a bold splitter, and large air intakes for better cooling and airflow. The sculpted sides lead to a muscular rear end that showcases an active wing, a massive diffuser, and the iconic quad exhausts. It's a car that looks ready to launch even when it's standing still. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels like a fighter jet cockpit fused with luxury craftsmanship. The interior is dominated by carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine Italian leather. The center console features a digital touchscreen that controls everything from drive modes to performance data. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information on hybrid energy flow, battery levels, and performance statistics. Lamborghini has also added more comfort and technology than ever before, making the Temerario suitable for both track thrills and road trips. Performance-wise, the Temerario offers multiple driving modes, from Strada for everyday comfort, to Sport for more dynamic driving, and Corsa for maximum track aggression. The hybrid system can even allow for short all-electric driving, perfect for city cruising without emissions or noise. But when you switch to full power mode, the car unleashes a combination of raw combustion force and electric precision that delivers an unforgettable driving experience. In terms of handling, Lamborghini has equipped the Temerario with advanced torque vectoring, all-wheel drive, and a lightweight carbon fiber chassis. The result is razor-sharp cornering, incredible grip, and a sense of control that keeps the driver completely connected to the road. The suspension system adapts to different driving styles, ensuring both comfort and performance when you need it most. The Lamborghini Temerario is not just a supercar, it's a statement about the future of performance. It's where emotion meets innovation, where sustainability meets speed. Lamborghini has managed to create a hybrid car that doesn't compromise its soul. It's loud, bold, fast, and fearless, exactly what you expect from the Raging Bull. If you're a true car enthusiast, the Temerario represents the perfect balance between the past and the future of Lamborghini. It respects the brand's heritage while embracing electrification with passion and purpose. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the world's most exciting cars. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the Lamborghini Temerario. Is this the future of supercars? See you in the next video.